Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll and find System and Update. Then let's tap on System Navigation and let's pretend I've got the buttons applied. I just wanted to draw attention to those options. Here you can reorder the back button and the recent, so you can customize the buttons, and you can also change the location and the location of the buttons. Alright, so to set the gestures, simply tap on this animation here. If you want to, you can go through the tutorial, just tap on Learn. I don't want to do it. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You can hide it if you want to. It's totally up to you. Here you can also decide whether you need the sensitivity to be lower or higher, but I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. The same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you'd like to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.